offers an irrigation care plan that keeps you protected throughout the whole year. Our irrigation care plan includes the irrigation activation, the irrigation winterization, and a discounted service call during the year. During the spring activation, our technician will restore pressure to the lines, check the lines for any breaks or damage, inspect all heads for proper coverage, and adjust them for proper coverage. Reprogram the controller to meet your water provider's watering schedule. If an irrigation service call is needed during the year, we waive our $45 service call fee. We discount up to 30 minutes of labor, and we include up to $25 in parts. When it comes time to winterize your irrigation system, we've got you covered. Our irrigation technician will ensure no freeze damage by doing the following: close the city water valve to the system, or remove water from the pump. Expel water from the system by blowing out the lines. Remove water from the backflow. Turn off your irrigation controller. Our irrigation care plan has a value of $265 and is available for only $185. Give our office a call at 910-323-8811 to sign up today.